Welcome to another episode of Bonnie's Keto Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making keto garlic butter chicken. This is a pretty easy recipe, and this comes from wholesomeyum.com. So this recipe calls for 4 8-ounce chicken breasts, but I don't have that. I just have chicken tenders, so I defrosted chicken tenders. And all I'm going to do is pat them down with paper towels. All right, we're going to season with some salt and pepper, a half a teaspoon of thyme, a half a teaspoon oregano, half a teaspoon parsley, a half a teaspoon rosemary. Mix that up and season. Turn them over, same thing. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil to a skillet on medium-high heat. And we're going to add the chicken and cook for about 4 to 8 minutes per side. And we're going to transfer them to a plate. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter and a half a cup of chicken broth. While the butter is melting, we're going to scoop up the little bits on the bottom. Reduce heat to low. We're going to add 5 cloves of minced garlic. Now I just used the one in the jar. And for me, it's 2.5 teaspoons. Stir that in. Saute this for about a minute. Now we're just going to add the chicken back. We're going to let it cook for about another minute or two, flipping it. Y'all, that's fantastic looking, isn't it? Great presentation. That's cauliflower broccoli cheese rice, by the way, that I just get in one of those steam bag things and put it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. But let's taste this. All right, got a nice bite there. Wow. That is such a nice, clean flavor. You can taste all of the spices in there. It's not over buttery. Believe it or not, I wish I tasted a little bit more of the garlic. Maybe I just didn't saute it enough. I'm going to dip it directly in the sauce. Stir it around a bit. Nice and juicy. That's it. This is fantastic to do when you don't want to cook. If you want more easy recipes, I have about 10 of them up here in this video. Y'all, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell. I'll see you guys next time.